I turned a full workday of research into 43 minutes. Same output, sometimes better. 10 hours a week gone. Most people use AI research wrong. They paste a question into ChatGPT and copy the answer. That's not research. That's a hallucination with confidence. The real workflow has 4 stages, and stage 3 is the one I run every single morning. It writes my first draft while I drink coffee. Start with Perplexity, not ChatGPT. Open it, switch to Pro Search, and type your question with one addition. Cite sources and include publication dates. Ask where the top 3 objections B2B buyers have about AI compliance tools in 2024. You get an answer with linked sources you can actually verify. That verification step alone kills 90% of the fake stats you'd otherwise repeat. But here's where it gets interesting. Perplexity gives you the surface. You need depth. Stage 2. NotebookLM. This is Google's tool, and it's free. Create a new notebook, then upload your sources, PDFs, pasted articles, even YouTube transcript links. Drop in 10 sources. Now every answer it gives is grounded in only those documents. No web guessing. You ask, what do these sources disagree about? And it maps the contradictions for you. That's a 2-hour reading job done in 90 seconds. And it cites the exact line in the exact document, so you could trust it. Now stage 3, the one I run daily. This is where automation kicks in. You build a research agent in Claude projects. Create a project, then paste custom instructions. You are my research analyst. Why give you a topic? Produce a brief with the consensus view, the contrarian view, 3 data points with sources, and 3 angles nobody's covering. Save it once. Now every morning you type 1 line, your topic, and get a structured brief back in the same format every time. No re-explaining. That consistency is the whole trick. I feed it yesterday's perplexity, findings, and my NotebookLM contradictions, and it synthesizes them into something I can actually publish from. Real example. Last week I researched the creator economy tax changes. Perplexity, 12 minutes to gather sources. NotebookLM, 8 minutes to find where experts disagreed. Claude project, 4 minutes to generate the brief. 24 minutes for what used to eat my entire afternoon. Here's the part nobody tells you. The bottleneck isn't finding information anymore. It's organizing it so you never research the same thing twice. So stage 4, build a second brain. Use a single Notion database or even a plain Google document. Every brief your Claude agent produces, you paste in with 3 tags, topic, date, key insight. Takes 10 seconds. 3 months from now, when you need that creator tax angle again, you search one word and it's there. You stop researching. That's where the real 10 hours compounds. Most people redo the same digging 4 times a year without noticing. Want to go fully hands-off? Connect it with Make or Zapier. Trigger, new row in a Google Sheet with a topic. Action, send it to Claude via API with your analyst prompt. Then write the result back to your Notion database. Now you drop topics into a spreadsheet all week and briefs appear overnight. You wake up to finished research. I add 5 topics on Monday, and by Tuesday morning, all 5 briefs are waiting. That's the difference between using AI and deploying it. One warning, don't skip the source verification in stage 1 to save time. Every downstream step inherits whatever garbage you let in. 10 verified sources beat 50 scraped ones every time. Garbage in, confident garbage out. Quick recap of the stack so you can steal it. Perplexity to gather and verify. NotebookLM to find the contradictions. A Claude project as your standing research analyst. Notion as your second brain. Make to automate the whole loop. 4 of them are free. The one paid tool, Perplexity Pro, pays for itself the first week. Do this today. Build the Claude project. Just at one step. Paste those instructions, save it, and run one real topic through it. You'll feel the difference in 10 minutes. Subscribe, because tomorrow I'm showing you the exact prompt that turns these research briefs into a full week of content in one pass. The piece that closes the loop from research to published. Don't miss it.